I'm excited to share some highlights from our new SurveyCTO 2.40 release. This release includes a few major platform improvements, as well as a series of smaller refinements, all in response to requests from our growing worldwide user base. So thank you to everybody for the wonderful feedback and ideas that made this release possible. The biggest thing about 2.40 is the addition of a new review and correction workflow. But we've also expanded the range of options you have for collecting and mapping GPS data, made some key case management improvements, and refined several aspects of the SurveyCTO administration console. I'll quickly touch on the highlights here in this video. Then we have additional videos that expand on the individual improvements. For the past 5 years, we've gotten steadily better at helping you to quickly and effectively identify potential problems in your incoming data. In just the last year, for example, we introduced the Data Explorer, which helps you to review incoming data both at the aggregate and the individual level, respond to warnings from automated quality checks, inspect photos and listen to audio audits, and more. But as easy as we've made it to review incoming data, we've never made it easy to annotate or correct that data. Now we have. With 2.40, you can review, comment on, correct, approve, or reject submissions before they're released for publishing or export. For those who collect GPS data, we've also added some new options for marking or tracing paths or areas on maps. We've also added advanced options for preloading map tiles onto devices so that users can interact with maps even in fully offline settings. Now, if you're a GIS expert and want to collect richer GPS data with SurveyCTO, you can. And for those who use SurveyCTO's case management features, we've added a new table view for long or information-rich case lists, including a new option to dynamically filter case lists using a search string. That way, users can quickly and easily find just the right cases. Finally, we've made some smaller improvements throughout the SurveyCTO server console, recognizing that many SurveyCTO accounts have a growing number of logins and forms. We've made it easier to reorganize your forms, easier to find forms and logins, and easier to understand which forms are consuming your allowed submissions and disk storage. In this release, we've also added literally dozens of other smaller improvements, from new math functions for informed calculations, to new preview options for enterprise administrators who are managing users and user roles. We've recorded individual videos to walk you through the primary improvements in more detail, so be sure to check them out. And, of course, if you haven't already, you can always update for free. Just go to our website, log in to Manage Your Subscription, and click the green button to update now. Thanks for using SurveyCTO.